Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to use Notepad++ to open MikroTik config files with syntax highlight. So this is what we are going to configure today in Notepad++, and you can see where the syntax is currently highlighted, so it's much easier to read. So we're going to configure this in Notepad++. So first thing that you need is you need to download Notepad++. So we're going to go to that site, and it's notepad++.org, or you can just search for it in Google, hit download, and you can download any version that you want, but I prefer the install version because that will give you the ability to associate the file type. So I'm going to show you that shortly. So just run the install. Okay, next. And it's typically next from here. And we're going to run Notepad++. So this is how Notepad++ looks. So we're going to go back to the browser, and on my website tksja.com I have a syntax highlighter for RouterOS, and click on downloads and you'll see a link to that file, and it's a zip file. Just download it to your computer and extract the file. So I'm going to extract this now, and this is the file that we'll be using. So just minimize, you can just minimize these screens right now, and in Notepad++, click on language, click on define your language, and click import, and then go to where you have extracted your syntax highlighter. Select that and select your file, which is a XML file, and open, and it says imported successful. Okay, now we're going to select that language, and then we're going to save as, I'm going to call it MikroTik. Okay, and just close this window. So if we look in language, we'll see a language named MikroTik, and so what next thing that we're going to do is to associate the config files with Notepad++. And how we do that is to open a config file, or right click on a config file. You have the option to edit in Notepad++, but if you just want to double click on the file and open it straight into Notepad++, you can go to properties, and then you can change the properties and point it to Notepad++. Okay. So if I double click on this file, it will now open in Notepad++. So this is how your config files will look when you open them now in Notepad++. And I click on language, you realize the language is saying user defined. So automatically when you open your config files, they will look like this from now on. So that is how you configure Notepad++ to open your config file and show syntax highlights at the same time. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please remember to do so. So thanks for watching.